Mastering the phrase, well-suited. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the phrase, well-suited. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for effective communication in English. So, let's get started and find out why some things are just a perfect match. Well-suited refers to something that is appropriately matched or fitting for a particular purpose or situation. It's like finding the right key for a lock. This phrase can be used for objects, people, or scenarios where there is a natural compatibility. The phrase is made up of two parts, well and suited. Well is an adverb that enhances the adjective suited, which comes from the verb suit. When combined, they indicate that something is more than just suitable, it's an excellent fit. Let's look at how well-suited is used in sentences. She is well-suited for the role of a teacher because of her patience and clarity. This climate is well-suited for growing grapes, which is why there are so many vineyards here. Enhance your vocabulary by learning synonyms. Some alternatives include appropriate, fitting, suitable, compatible. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, well-suited. Remember, finding the right words can make your English as fitting as a glove. Hope this video helps you suit up your language skills. Until next time, keep practicing.